This is a quick demo of how to upload content to a running forum. First, I'll start a forum using the Instant Start method. I pick a framework from the Frameworks tab, click the green Start arrow from the bottom of the framework card, and I have a running but empty forum. I'll invite a colleague on the fly by copying the join URL and emailing it. When they get it and click it, they'll join the forum. Now I want to add some content to work with. I pick the blue upload arrow near the top and find my file with items. The Excel file for the upload looks like this. It's simple, has 3 columns: item name, item description, and item type. The system will ask me what type they should be if they do not already have one listed in the spreadsheet. I can change all of them to an item type that I have available, or I can adjust them individually. Click Finish Import, and then they're all placed in the upper left corner as a stack of imported items. I usually spread them out for visibility. Note that the creator is me for all of them as I uploaded the file. For now, this is the only option. Soon you'll be able to retain the original item creator name, which in many cases is not me, but members of my team.